Who are you? I have never seen a bird like you.
Help me! My wing is frozen solid! Please! I'm begging you!
Why should I help you? I am freezing and starving myself.
Because you have a kind heart. I can see it in your eyes.
Hold on. Don't move. I will try to break the ice.
You saved my life. Thank you.
Don't thank me yet. I just hate seeing things die.
In my home, we share warmth, even with strangers.
I don't believe in friendship.
Maybe not. But kindness makes it warmer.
You talk strange, little bird.
Maybe I see the warmth in your cold eyes.
She called herself Bella, and she was wrong about everything. But I let her stay.
Ferris! I can't see the way! Where are you? Bella, stay where you are. Just keep calling out to me. Here, I'm stuck. The ice, it has me again!
Hold on, I'll get you out.
Go back! Save yourself! No!
Better I freeze with you than live alone without you.
Hold on. I won't let go.
Ferris,